Keep your calculator aside and let's solve this radical question in less than a minute. Square root of 60 square plus 11 square. This is equal to 60 square will be written as it is and 11 square is equal to 121. In the next step we are going to expand 121 which is equal to 1 plus 120. Means 121 is as same as 120 plus 1. 60 square, we are going to write 120 as 2 times 60 times 1 plus 1 is as same as 1 square. Now this is the form of an identity a square plus 2ab plus b square which is equal to a plus b whole square. Now 60 plus 1 is equal to 61 whole square. Square and root cancel out. We are left with the answer 61. I hope you find it easy. If so, thumbs up and thanks for watching.